Hello everyone, thanks for watching. I got a quick video for you today. I'm going to be installing a storage box on the roof rack of my truck. On my last overlanding trip, I had a lot of tools in my Thule storage container that is not the most durable. With all the bumping around and off-roading, I noticed that it was really banging around in there and I wasn't comfortable long-term using that as a storage location for axes and that sort of stuff. So I've been meaning to do something like this for a while. I came across this storage box at Princess Auto recently. I didn't want to spend a lot of money for a rifle case, a good quality rifle case. At some storage in Canada, you can spend up to $300 on one just to drill holes and use it as a storage box on your roof rack. This one here was $99 at Princess Auto. It's 44 inches. It's a good size that can actually get some gear in it. It's good quality. It's got 4 nice solid clasps for locking in place. Waterproof. It's got some loops here to throw some padlocks on it. Comes with foam inside. So now that the cold weather's here, I'm going to be bringing some heavier axes on my trips, and I'm going to be splitting firewood and that sort of thing. So I wanted a place to put all the heavy tools in that I don't really have to worry about them bouncing around too much, and I believe this is the answer for sure. So I'm going to install this on the roof rack of my truck today in this video. I'm going to show you the hardware I'm going to use. I'm going to do it in such a way that it's secure. Carriage bolts will be used to secure it to the roof rack. Carriage bolts will be exposed at the bottom, which means you can't unscrew them, that sort of thing. The nuts that I'm going to use to secure it will be on the inside of the storage container, so if you had padlocks on it, no one could walk up and just kind of undo some nuts and bolts and be able to take the storage container away. So I hope you liked the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel before the video is done. It's videos like this coming up all the time. Adventure videos, a little bit of everything. So hope you enjoy it. So stay tuned, and here we go. We're going to put this on the roof rack of my truck. I removed the 3 layers of foam from inside, and I'm going to show you where we're going to actually install it from. The bottom of the case has these little supports here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to line it up so that the Thule bar, this part here sits on the Thule bar in the back, and this part here sits on the Thule bar in the front. And that'll provide it a little more stability, and I'll use that as a guide when I drill the holes. There you go, that's an easy install. So really just 4 brackets.